Number 12. Francis out front. They couldn't stuff it home. Gentile with it. Shot. Save. Jewel. Shot. Saved by Gentile. Puts it in the corner. Out front. Rebound. Save. Collins. Collins. Save. Lee. It's kept in at the point. Shot. Deflected in. Almost got by her. Lee, the goalie, keeps it out of there. Shot in. Saved by Lee. Rebound goes wide. Pressure here by the Fishermen. And it's tied up to Taylor. And Marblehead breaks it up. Shot in. Save Lee. Taylor with the rebound. Oh. Gentile has it. She keeps it in. Over to Alloy again. Alloy. Shot. Save. How does she see that? Brown. Jewel has it out front. They try to stuff it home. Oh, what a save. Brown had a chance. Gives it to Jewel. Back to Earl. Melanie Earl. Shot in. Save. Lexi Francis, number 15, goes out. She has it. Out front. Shot. Save. Rebound. Score. Fiona Black. Shot. Saved by Lee. Brown gets it to the middle. Brown. Shot. Save. They gets it out front. No, they can't. Twombly has it. Over to Collins. Out front. Shot. Save. Rebound. Save. Oh, she couldn't control it. Parsons, look out. Oh, what a save. Nice save. Nice glove save by Lee. Parsons shoots it in. And the whack. Brown, she's in. Shot, save. Lee, out front. It's tied. Here comes Twombly. Number 12, Twombly, she's in. Shot, save again by Scott. Shot, save. Fiona Black, she tries to find, but Jewel has it. Shot, save. Scarlett Lee, shot, save again, Scarlett. They win the faceoff. Alloy, shot. Another great save by Scarlett Lee. Shot just wide. Twombly goes after it. Twombly. And it goes in. Gentile. She takes it in. Shot. Goes out front. Shot. What a save again. And they almost got caught. Puck's out front. They're trying to stuff it home and they can't. Other side over to Collins. Collins, she comes in. Shot. Parsons behind the net. She's trying to stuff it home. She can't. Out front. Emma Brown out front. The Gentile shot. Save again. Jewel shot blocked. Out front. Save again. What a move. Melanie Earl. Shot. Out front. Here comes Taylor. Taylor makes a pass. Back to Taylor. Shot. Save again. 1 minute left in the game. Out to Gentile. Gentile shot in. Deflected wide. Rebound. Save again. A beauty. She has Taylor with him. Jewel over to Taylor. Shot. Score! Shot hit.